review of the Maker Geeks brand Geek box, the monthly subscription thing that they do. You can get something. To me, it's just something to get something different, almost like a birthday every month for the 3D printing. This was the August, what they call the August one, which they ship out at the end of the month, which would have come in early September. I got around to trying everything, so I'm doing the review now of it. It was the You'll Shoot Your Eye Out Kid themed. So it had the plans for a mini crossbow, all the parts, some ammo for it, and a little sticker that says You'll Shoot Your Eye Out for it. It also come with, mine came with a spool of Maker Series White Hot White. Now, this stuff actually printed pretty good. It was a little stringy, but printed really good. Cleaned up real easy. The white is a really, really bright white compared to some of the other ones I had. So, I plan on doing a lot more with it soon. They also sent Crystal Series Translucent Blue. Now, I already had a spool of this for the grab bag, so I knew how it would print. It prints really, really good, but they call it translucent blue, and it's not really kind of a see-through translucent like you would think of. It's more of a medium blue, but it has a really, really good color to it, and it printed actually absolutely beautiful. So it's smooth finish. So absolutely good one up there. But like I said, it says it's translucent, but it's not really that translucent, but it has a good shine to it. If you want a real translucent, you get their PETG. It's actually a really good see-through blue. Alright. This coming month, I'll have another one when it comes in. Maybe a little sooner this time. Thank you.